guys, so welcome to Recipe Fridays on Remat's Quick Fix. In today's video we're going to be making peppered fish and a pepper sauce to go along with it. You can serve this with pretty much anything. You can serve it with rice, fried yam, fried plantain, even sweet potatoes. I served mine with fried yam in today's video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Karimad. I post food videos every Fridays and I post lifestyle and vlog style videos on Sundays. So please make sure that you subscribe and join the fam. I would love to have you here. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, so it's gonna help me and it's gonna help my channel. So please make sure that you give this video a like. As always, I'm gonna list all the ingredients I'll be using in the description box below, so you can check it out over there. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so for this recipe I'm going to be using whiting fish. You can definitely use tilapia fish or any other type of fish that you like. I know that tilapia works great for this, but whiting is like the only fish that I can eat, so that's what I'll be using. So first thing I'm going to do after cleaning the fish and washing it is scoring the fish. So I'm going to score it, and this will allow the spices to really penetrate once I add them to it. For the spices, I'm using some salt, paprika powder, onion powder, ginger powder, and some seasoning powder. So I'm just going to mix the seasonings together, the spices together, and then add it to the fish and just try to work the seasonings into the fish. So I'm going to try to get it inside the scored part of the fish as much as possible, so this will allow the spices to really penetrate so that the fish will be very tasty. So now I'm going to cover it with a cling film, and then I'm gonna put this in the fridge and just let it marinate for like 30 minutes to one hour. The longer the better. Then to the pepper sauce, I'm using tomatoes, habanero pepper, and red bell pepper for this, and I'm just going to cut it up into smaller pieces and then add it into the chopper. And I'm using a hand chopper for this, but you can definitely use a blender or like a food processor. You just want to make sure that you don't blend it too smooth. It should be coarse like this. So this is the type of consistency that you should go for. This is what works best for this type of pepper sauce. So now I'm going to add in some vegetable oil into a pan, and I'm going to use this chopstick to test the temperature just to make sure that it is hot enough. And once it starts to bubble, then I know that it's hot enough, and then I'm going to add in the fish, and I'm just going to fry this on both sides until it is nice and golden brown. I like my fish to be like very crispy. That's because I don't really like fish, so once it's like really crispy, it kind of masks the taste of it. So that's why mine is a little bit burnt, but you can definitely, you know, fry yours for less. Then I'm going to reduce the oil. I'm using the same pan, so I'm going to reduce the oil in the pan. Then I'm going to add in the chopped pepper mix, and I'm going to season with some crushed garlic, some ginger powder, some salt, and some seasoning powder. Just want to keep it very simple and minimal, and I'm going to cover this and let it fry for like 10 to 15 minutes. It's a very small pepper mix, so it shouldn't take long at all. Then I added some sliced onion to this. You can do the sliced onion at the beginning, but I like to have it this way so that it stays nice and crunchy. And I'm just going to let it simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes, and once the oil floats completely to the top, then you know that the pepper mix is fried enough. And I'm going to reduce the pepper mixture. I'm just going to remove a little bit, set it aside, then I'm going to put the fish back into the pepper mix. And I'm just going to try to coat the fish in the pepper sauce and just let this simmer for like 3 minutes or so. This will just allow the flavors from the fish and the pepper sauce to kind of marinate and like infuse together and stuff. So once that's done, I'm going to remove the fish from the pan, and that's pretty much it for this recipe. Now I'm going to use the pepper sauce that I took out earlier as a dipping for, you know, the yam and also for the fish as well. And you guys, this was so good. Like, I did not want this to finish. It was so good. You can serve the pepper sauce with like rice if you want. You can do like sweet potato fries, you can do plantain, pretty much anything really. Like, some people eat this with bread. Like, the possibilities are endless. But that's pretty much it for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and also check out my other videos as well. I like to serve mine with fried yam, and I like to okay, let's go again. I like to serve mine with fried ó ti tán. If kó tó bá wù yẹn fi serve it. Last take, final take.